name this store name A and B in Puerto Plata. Nice, clean, modern furniture and light structure. Looks not bad. Puerto Plata gas station and Deluxe called Deluxe. Yeah, and a lot of light. We're going to buy a light here. It's light store. This is called Deluxe in Puerto Plata. Not far from Jumbo. Can I picture you?
Of course.
Yeah,
I have no issue with that.
Yeah, I don't know, because it's just
Hello.
for my memory. And this is Robert. Robert is a nice man. He helped me with a car. Here is Sosua. Oops. And everything in the same time. We have to ask now, because who knows, now people getting upset if you by accident you making a short movie and somebody walking and why you picture them, and I said okay, I'm not picture you, I picture nice view, and why you come up here I have no idea.
I had that happen with my family. She was in a rolling wheelchair, we'll call it. And we were in Sosua on the street. She was videoing everything, and this chica on the corner wasn't even in the video, wouldn't have even known a thing about her. She turned around and started yelling at my cousin. And of course my cousin didn't understand. She doesn't speak Spanish. I understood. And then one of my really good police buddies came over and told her to shut up and leave her alone. Because it's like, shit, if you hadn't have turned around, all we would have had is your back.
Yeah.
You put yourself in the video.
Yeah, who prohibit you, for example, and if you have in some place which you like and you would like to take a picture, I have no idea why you show. It's public place, man.
It is.
I didn't came to your house and making movie about how it's, no.
Nope,
We are in public place, yeah.
Yeah, I was on the phone talking to a buddy, and a guy was slapping some girl's butt, and he's like, dude, if you're videoing me, I'm gonna come over and blah blah blah, you're blah blah blah. And I'm like, dude, I'm on the phone. If you got a problem, don't do that in public. I'm on the phone, so get out of my face.
Watch your focus. That's very nice, yeah. Very nice. Looking good.
Mala?
Do you have bigger?
One side.
No?
No.
Maybe another one. Another one is good. This one, yeah. Small? Poco, yeah? Small. Can I try?
Да, хорошая.
Gracias. Very nice. It's very nice. I love it. It's for boys. For boys. For niño. It's not for...
Just have big one.
Ну, а як ми будемо таскати їх? Може, таксі буде брати чи що?
Таксі візьме.
Таксі візьме? Ну, пішли подивимось.
Або будемо таскати, муки великі.
Добре. Yeah, and walking here in Sosua to Casalinda is technically no bad, but the big problem is that noise and too many cars. Julieta drinking coconut. Too many cars.
На ламулату поворот, едь посередине.
Yeah. And as smoke. Actually, you can feel here exhaust from the car, and like probably old bad engines, and you see this burning gasoline, diesel smell. Yeah, it's like old cars. Басейни, да. И все. А?
Не можно идти.
Ну так знімаємо це.
Ой, мама, какие они красивые.
Ну, точно красиво.
Какие красивые. Смотри, у него рожа красивая.
А в хаті дві які.
Купальчик красивый.
Да, це ми... It looks like we made a mistake. We're walking uphill in this road, tiny one, and local traffic. They're driving very dangerously, but anyway, we can see cow and everything.